work at End Market. Hang on, wait. This is nice. And it smells good. Did you put this down?
No. It came like that. Fancy!
Is that why you didn't bring the girls?
Yes.
Drink a little bit, smoke a little bit, pop a little bit.
I like it. I expected you just to come with yourself, not a car.
I brought a whole entire car.
Dude, thank you. That's why the trip has to be quick, because you got to get home and I got to get back home.
Yeah. That's why I was like, she doesn't know this and she's going to have to bring me right back. Then you have to drive back. I said, I think she'll be okay with it.
I am fine with it. So what year is it? It looks nice.
It's 2002.